Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush level 335. Your primary goal is to clear all 50 jellies within 30 moves. This level presents a challenge with chocolate and licorice swirls blocking your path. Focus on creating special candies early to break through these blockers efficiently. Pay close attention to the chocolate spawners and try to contain them quickly to prevent them from spreading too much. Let's dive into some strategies to help you succeed. To conquer level 335, your first priority should be to clear the chocolate, especially near the spawners, to stop its spread. Next, focus on creating powerful special candies. Striped and wrapped candy combinations are incredibly effective for clearing multiple rows and columns of jelly and obstacles. Combining a color bomb with a striped candy will clear a significant portion of the board, making a huge dent in the jelly and licorice swirls. Plan your moves carefully to maximize these powerful effects. Maintaining control of the board is crucial. Try to make matches at the bottom of the board whenever possible. This often creates cascades, leading to unexpected special candies and clearing more jelly. Clearing the licorice swirls is also important as they block your matches and prevent cascades. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to create 3 candy combinations that can set up larger, more impactful special candy formations. Every move counts in this challenging level, so think ahead. As you approach the end of level 335, remember to conserve your moves. Avoid making matches that don't clear jelly or set up special candies. If your starting board doesn't offer good opportunities for special candies or chocolate control, don't be afraid to restart the level for a better layout. Keep practicing and you'll master it. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.